Alright, everybody, we're back. And we're moving on. Tile trouble. Here we go. Now, can you reach it with just her? I don't know. We'll find out. I imagine you have to bounce off the water because, well, that's what the bananas are there for. They pretty much tell you what you have to do. There we go. Ah. God damn it. No, there's no way in hell you'd be able to make that. Hey, at this rate, we'll get those 50 in no time, though. What, those 50? Yeah, the 50. Yeah, because you need that. Bitch, bitch, and bitch. Nailed it! Oh, okay, now I just really have to... No! Oh, thank God. Whew! Made the old butthole pucker up there. Puckle, shut up. Yeah! There we go. Yeah. Now that. Yeah, got him. Somehow killing him made his barrel turn brown. Because maybe he shit himself? Maybe. Skitter's Row, huh? Ooh. Oh, good. It's starting to snow. Thank God it's not here anymore. Oh, shit. It's a bash the baddies. Oh, man. That was close. We're going back for it. Of course it was a bash the baddies. It told you before you did it, you dipshit. I got confused. So leave me alone. So leave me alone, he says. Yeah, I says. There you go, bitch. Now pay attention to what this one's called. Shut up. Thought you were gonna get hit there for a minute. So did I. No, I didn't, so shut up. did it. We got everything we needed. Score. Oof. Murky Mill. Is this when we become an elephant? Think so? Oh. Yep. Is it true, like, I'm legitimately asking this question. Is it true that elephants are afraid of mice? Like, I legitimately don't know. Oh. Eat shit. What's the elephant's name? Ellie, I think. Hubert, I'll answer your question in a minute. Oof. Well, actually, in a few minutes, once the episode's over. Yay! Yep, just run in place, Ellie. I think the elephant's name is Ellie. I'm not quite sure. What's up, Dick? There you go. Give me that. Oh, God. Once they come back down, there we go. Thought I was gonna get hit there. So did I. You're very supportive of me? Shut up. Let's suck it in. Bonk. There we go. Hey! Hey! Oh, bollocks. We'll get it. Of course we will. Yeah! Take it in. Bitch. Stop it. Really? You gonna make me? Like it was hard. Bitch. Ooh. Give me that. Now, hopefully that was it. Was it? Yep. Swanky Sideshow. Well, would you believe it? Hello, Kongs. Welcome along to my new bonus tent. My show's on the road and it's on every island. Land. The cost is 2 coins a hand. There are some great prizes on offer today, so come on in and choose to play or just do when you're away and blah blah blah. Okie doke. Yes, I have reached it. No simple questions and answers this time, though. I'm gonna beat yours truly to win any prizes. Fuck you, old man. Ooh. Yeah! I don't need to try again, bitch. I already beat you. Up yours, old man. Give me those coins. Yeah. We out. We have Belch's barn to beat. Wow. I don't think I've ever beaten him in 2 burps before. Bang! Sweet, we did it. Cool. Cool beans. Cool beans. Cremwood Forests. We can do one of these levels really quick. I don't like the boss of this world, though. He sucks. Barrel shield bust up. Let's do it. Come on, we're all monkeys here. Can't we all be on the same page? Don't throw fucking nuts at me. Super lame. That's what they're throwing. Probably acorns. Well, they're not nuts then. Acorns are nuts. No, they're not. Yes, they are. Do you know what you're talking about? Not really. Then shut up! Okay. God, you're so mean. There we go. No, I didn't want that! I definitely did not want that. I didn't get shit on that one. Not true, you got an extra life. Yeah, but... Nope. There we go. That's what I would have preferred to happen the first time, but no, I fucked it up. Find the coin. Oh, nope. Ta-da! Mwah. Yay, only 35 more. Fuck you. Oh, thank God. I see it up there. I ain't dumb. Dick. You say dick every time you kill him, most likely. Whoops. Damn it. You accomplished a lot there. Shut up. I'm not busting balls, I'm just saying. Lame. There we go. Oh, this one's not gonna be fun. I really like it when they show up in succession like that. Makes my job easier. Gimme. Gimme. Done. There we go. Now I can properly beat the level happily enough. So, did we get everything? Yes, we did. Sweet sauce. So everybody, we're gonna stop the episode there. We're gonna come back. We're gonna finish. We're actually gonna start Riverside Race because that's kind of a stupid level, but we will get to it. So until next time, everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to join the Bomb Squad, like, and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what I'm doing, and we will continue this on the next episode. So until then, take care now. Bye bye. Then stay classy.